How to build an order management system using Airtable and Zapier. Let's go ahead and publish our Zap. We'll go ahead and set it up to go live. First, go to Airtable website and log into your account. In Airtable, here we created a table for our customers which connects to the table for our quotes. In Zapier, we're looking for an updated task. In the setup here, we're choosing the Asana app or software that triggers the automation. Then the next part is the filter. We have to add a filter here that says, I only want to continue if it's a very specific status. Here we are now in our third step, assuming that we have a record where we actually updated that bid status, and it is now create in Airtable status, and it moved through our filter. In step 4, we're running some code by Zapier. This requires that you're on a premium or pro Zapier account, and then we are going to run some JavaScript and in the script. Next, we are creating a folder in Google Drive. So here we are going into configuring. We're going to create a folder as an action step, and then we can create the folder with the folder name that we got as an output from our code. Then we're going to create the quote in Airtable. So now that we have the component or the folder built in Google Drive, we're going to go back now into Airtable, and here we will create a new record for this quote. Then ultimately at the end of it, all we want to do is go back to Anna. Now we're going to update the very task that triggered the automation in the first place. Let's go ahead and publish our Zap. We'll go ahead and set it up to go live. That's it. Thanks for watching.